Tigernix Water Distribution Solution. Tigernix Water Distribution Solution fuses AI, IoT, predictive analytics, digital twin simulations, GIS intelligence, and satellite monitoring into a unified digital ecosystem. Employ a centralized digital command center that optimizes flows, predicts failures, and extends asset lifespans, all in real time. Navigate hyper-intelligent dashboards that monitor, forecast, and automatically fine-tune critical parameters. It optimizes operations, including monitoring tank levels, pipe pressures, and demand patterns without manual intervention. Turn live sensor and telemetry feeds into actionable intelligence with our integrated predictive maintenance model, proactively preventing impending failures. Connect with Tigernix today to meet our digital transformation consultants by emailing us at info@tigernix.com or dialing +65 6760 6647. Tigernix Water Distribution Solution, where intelligent, resilient, and sustainable water distribution begins.